Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Right. Neurotropic keratopathy next. In neurotrophic keratopathy, there is loss of neural influence. The neurons are lost. Whatever the reason is, there is loss of nerve supply leading to the edema occurs in the patient in the cornea, and exfoliation also occurs of the epithelial cell. Now, because of the loss of the neural influence, the epithelial cells will be lost and the edema of the cornea will also occur. Now, what are the causes of neurotrophic keratopathy? Neurotrophic keratopathy occurs due to the following things like herpes simplex virus, herpes zoster ophthalmicus, diabetes mellitus, leprosy, and fifth nerve is associated with neurotrophic keratoplasty.
thank you and thank you for watching.